In this video, we're going to look at how you can use the CINAHL database to find nursing articles. Starting from the OU Libraries homepage, click on the link that says InfoTree Subject Resources. Once you're in InfoTree, click on the link that says Health and Life Sciences. Now you have a list of health resources and databases. Scroll down and look for the title that says CINAHL Plus with full text. Once you've found it, click on the link to go into the database. Now you're actually in the CINAHL database and you can do a search. I'm going to do a search for articles about how lifestyle changes can affect diabetes. If you were searching in Google, you would probably just type out that whole question and you would find some results. But in a database, you usually want to narrow it down to just the main concept. So in this case, that's diabetes and lifestyle changes. So I'm going to enter diabetes as my first topic. And then in the second box, I'm going to enter lifestyle changes. Because there's an "and" between these two boxes, the database is going to look for all of the articles that have both diabetes and lifestyle changes. So once you've entered your terms, go ahead and click search. And now you should have a list of articles. If it looks like the articles that you see aren't necessarily perfect for your topic, or you don't have enough information on your topic, you might try changing the sort to relevance rather than date descending. Date descending gives you the most recent articles first, but they may not be the best for your topic. So now I can scroll through and look for articles on my topic. If you scroll over the icon with the page and a magnifying glass, it will give you a preview of the article. Or if you want to see the full information about the article, just click on the title. Now I can scroll through and see what this article is about. I have some subject heading. There's even a subject heading for lifestyle changes. So I know this is probably about my topic. To read the full text of this article, I would click on the link that says PDF full text. And it should open up the full text of this article so that I can read it. So you can see here's the full text. It's from spring 2010. And this is an article about how lifestyle changes and type 2 diabetes. Now I'm going to use the back link to go back to my search results and look for a different article so we can see what to do in the event that the full text is not available right within this database. So I'm just going to scroll through and you can see the different types of articles that you have here. I'm going to look at number 7, Patients with Type 2 Diabetes Experiences of Making Multiple Lifestyle Changes. This is looks like it's more of a research article than the first one we looked at. So I'm going to click on the title, and this one I can scroll through and look at the abstract, and if I've decided that I want to read this article, I would go over to the left-hand side and see that in this case we don't have the PDF full text. But what I can do is click on the Find It link, and it should open up a new tab, and basically what this does is it looks for the full text of the article in any other database available through the libraries. In this case, we do have the full text in the EJC, and I can just click the link, and that should take me right to the article in the other database. So I can look here and see that I have the PDF full text and HTML full text for this article. So the Find It button acts as your bridge between where you were searching and where the full text is located. So that's been a quick introduction to finding articles in the CINAHL database. If you have any questions, please remember that you can always return to the OU Libraries homepage and use the link to Ask a Librarian.